Hello everyone and welcome back to Tesla Harmonics. Today I want to continue looking at Module 26307-23, Transformers in the NCCER 11th edition. This will be Section 3.00, Troubleshooting and Maintaining Transformers. Troubleshooting and maintaining transformers. Common transformer problems include open circuits, ground faults, short circuits, and changes in winding resistance. Shooting transformer problems, think before acting, study the problem thoroughly, ask the following questions. What warning signs preceded the trouble? Has there been any previous repair work done? Has a similar problem occurred before? And if operable, is it safe to continue using before further testing is conducted? When troubleshooting, always check the easiest, most obvious thing first. Once a repair has been made, locate and correct the cause so that the same failure won't happen again. Open circuit. If a winding in a transformer develops an open condition, current cannot flow and the transformer will not operate. Check the voltage at the transformer output terminals using an AC voltmeter or a multimeter. After confirming no voltage at the output terminals, lock out and tag the circuit and perform a continuity test. A resistance reading of infinity on an ohm meter or a VOM set to the ohm function indicates an open winding. Shorted turns. A partial short in one of the transformer windings will result in overheating and a voltage drop across the secondary. A transformer turns ratio tester is the most accurate way to check for this condition. A multimeter will show a lower than expected output voltage if there is a partially shorted winding. A complete short will usually activate the overload protective device and de-energize the circuit. Overheating usually occurs when there is a complete short. The excess heat will often melt the wax or insulation inside the transformer, causing a foul odor. Grounded windings. Transformer overloads will eventually cause insulation failure, leading to exposed conductors and a grounded winding. Symptoms include overheating and a burning smell. A megometer can be used to test the insulation resistance. Note that only qualified and trained individuals may operate this equipment. Transformer testing and maintenance. Regular transformer maintenance performed by qualified individuals can help reduce energy use and equipment failure. Periodic maintenance testing and periodic trending should be performed on transformers in commercial and industrial facilities that are not automatically monitored. Consider the following when inspecting and maintaining dry transformers. Inspect for and remove buildups for dust and grime. Check internal components for signs of discoloration or heat damage. Check for loose or damaged connections and damaged bus bracing. Inspect insulators for cracks. Ensure that there is adequate ventilation, and monitor and plot the pressure level of an inert gas blanket. Consider the following when inspecting and maintaining liquid-filled transformers. Inspect for physical damage. Verify the proper operation of auxiliary devices. Test insulating oil or liquid for dielectric strength of the fluid. Here's a trade term you should read over and become familiar with for this session, and some review questions for this session. A transformer reads 0 volts across the output terminals while the primary winding is energized. The cause is most likely an open circuit in the transformer, a partially shorted winding, a ground fault, or insulation breakdown. That's going to be A, an open circuit in the transformer. When performing maintenance on dry transformers, check for cracked insulators on transformers over 240 volts, 480 volts, 600 volts, or 1000 volts. That's going to be D, 1000 volts. Alright everyone, that was it for that session. Next session will be review for the testing. We'll do that in the classroom, and I'll see you over there.